Christmas cookie wrapper. Beltane. Who ate the Christmas cookies? Beltane. Who ate the Christmas cookies? Belly. Who ate all the Christmas cookies? Was it you? Strider, did you eat the Christmas cookies? Strider. Strider, did you eat the Christmas cookies? Did you? Belly, did you eat the Christmas cookies? Belly, did you eat the Christmas cookies? Who did this? Belly, who? Who? Belly, did you eat the cookies? Are you in your safe spot on the couch because you're worried that Mommy'd be mad? Did you eat the cookies? Strider, did you eat the cookies? Did you? Did you eat the cookies? Did she share? Did Belly share? Did you eat them, Belly? Who ate the cookies? Is that really true? Belly looks guilty and ashamed. You look like you either are happy about it and don't care, or are mad that she didn't share. Strider, you're on camera. Let's try to have some sort of decency. Strider, did you eat the cookies? Belly, did you eat the cookies? Look at Mommy. Did you eat the cookies? Did you eat the Christmas cookies? Beltane. Tell me who did it, Stride. Tell me. There was kind of a lot of cookies left. There was a lot, Belly. It's a mystery. A mystery, Stride.